Okay, let's go check out this. What is that? A 15 horsepower Suzuki? Yeah.
Suzuki, yeah, 15 horsepower.
Customer rebuilt his own carburetor. Didn't do a bad job, but these Suzukis in the bottom of the bowl, they've got a little bitty check valve and some little bitty laser cut passages. It's starting to sprinkle. And anyway, it wouldn't idle. It ran good for him for a few seconds, but we saw the carburetor bowl was ruined because it was clogged. And we typically don't work on pull start motors, but we figured we'd help this gentleman out since he is a police officer and we support our police. That's Joseph right there. He was sick yesterday. He's not feeling great today, but he was able to get this together and he said it runs good. So let's find out if he's telling us the truth. Hit it, Jojo. This is a cold start. That's 2 pulls. I think you're gonna pull the choke. Pull the choke, turn the choke off. Started right up. Look at that. Idling good. That's cold. Okay, that's in gear. Awesome. Give us some gas. Open that big boy up. Oh yeah. No offense, but I've got a lawnmower with more power than this, but that's pretty cool. That's perfect for that boat. Okay, idle. And it stayed running. Okay. Okay, neutral. All right, reverse, but don't flip it up on yourself now. Just give it a little gas. One. Want to make sure it's going to stay running and idle, and it's idling. It's still doing well. Seems like it's idling a little fast. Oh, it's doing that. It's got a high idle it comes off of. Okay, click it in forward gear and just let it idle. Good. Put it in neutral. Put it in reverse. Okay, neutral. Shut it off. Yeah, I see it. Wait. I see that high idle. And then it comes down by itself. Okay. Okay, shut it off. Let's see how it hot restart. 1, 2 pulls. Yeah, a little harder. He's a little sick today. Yeah. Okay, very good. Suzuki 15 horsepower carburetor repair. Good to go.